In this video, I want to show you how to use the Wi-Fi Direct feature on your Brother printer, that is the HL-L2465DW. So let's get started right away. Make sure your printer is turned on and you're going to press the menu button once. You're going to press the down arrow until you get to Network. Press OK. Go down and select Wi-Fi Direct. Press OK again. Select Manual, so simply press again on OK. Wait a few seconds. It may ask you to turn on Wi-Fi Direct. In that case, simply press the up arrow to turn it on. And now you're going to get the Wi-Fi Direct name of the printer and the password. You see, you don't have much time to see it. Let me show you how to connect your phone. Now, what I will show you next also works with the computer. So simply go into the Wi-Fi settings of your device. And you need to find Direct and the name of your printer, L2465DW. Tap on it. And now it's time to type the password that appears quickly on the display. Once you have typed the password, press Connect. And now your device will be connected directly to the printer. So open any files you wish to print. Here I'll select Always Connect. Okay, let me go over here in my photo gallery. Although this printer doesn't print great pictures, let me select this file. And you're going to find, this is on an Android smartphone, these three dots that you need to tap and then select Print. On an iPhone, down below, you're going to see a square with an arrow pointing up. Press on that button and then you'll be able to select Print. On PC or Mac, well, it's slightly different. So simply find the Print button. Select on the top over here your printer. Make sure these settings are making sense with whatever you're trying to print and select the Print button. On Android, you may have to select Accept over here. And here we go. We got our results. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.